Welcome back to Everyday Dad. Today we're going to be working on the chainsaw cupcake table. All you're going to need for this is going to be your regular drill and some screws, and then the heck is that over there? Hey you! Give me all your wood or else! What's that you got there? It's my chainsaw. That's not a chainsaw. This is a chainsaw. Kids these days, I swear. Well, joking aside, we're gonna go ahead and cut this log into slabs. I don't have one of them fancy slab jigs for your chainsaw, so we're just gonna freehand it. We don't want anything so perfect anyways. It's a camping birthday party. It's gotta be a little rugged, so I don't know. Let's just check it out. We'll go ahead and get started. Make sure you have your glasses. And then fire up that chainsaw and get a cutting.
Here it must be noted, this video is for entertainment purposes only. Make sure you wear proper safety gear like chainsaw chaps, a hard hat with face shield, safety glasses, steel toe boots, gloves, and have a medic on standby. Also, watch some videos on proper chainsaw stance, since I have a terrible chainsaw stance, which is why my back will be sore tomorrow. Also remember to look in the comments for professional chainsaw advice. Finally, never joke about safety, because safety is no joke. Hey, look at that. The bolt to my dogs is coming loose and you can see it rattling. Amazing the things you notice when you're on video. Anyways, the next couple minutes is just going to be me, for the most part, sawing this log into pieces. And then I'm going to find some legs and I'm going to saw them into some more pieces. So enjoy! I wonder if chainsawing will reach some of the satisfaction crowd. It's crazy. I keep getting pressure washing videos that pop up on my feed that have millions and millions of views. I was like, maybe I should just go out and saw wood all day and be a rich YouTuber.
And that's a whole mound of sawdust. Holy cow. Now that we made ourselves a couple nice slabs, let's check these out. A couple different sizes. I tried to cut these off, kind of staggered to, capture a little bit different size in each one. Check that out. I'm digging just a rough cut. It's pretty cool looking with the saw runners going through there, and just the edge. All right. Now we got that done. Last time out, kind of driving around up in the mountains, spotted some kind of sticks laying on the ground around their campsite. A couple of smaller logs. And I thought they'd make awesome legs for this table, so we're going to go ahead and cut those up. This thing's got some character. Hey, so here's my cattywampus cupcake table. What we're just gonna do is we're gonna take those slabs and we're gonna set them right on these little legs that I cut off. Some of it's pine, some of it's eucalyptus, whatever I found laying around on the ground, but kind of cool, make it unique. I think 3 legs. I'm just gonna line it up, kind of set her on there, and we're gonna shoot some screws through. There we go. Just gonna send 2 screws through per leg. This here is gonna be the tricky one. Alright guys, the trick to making these things look cool is that you just want to put them together kind of however it feels good, man. Just go with the flow. Let nature do its, like, you know, whatever it does. Like this piece here, man, I wanted to cut it crooked and get keep everything in the center so it has a good center of gravity. But you can make it line up the side, the center, you know, as long as you come back to the center. But then we'll get this inside where we have some good lighting. You guys will be able to check it out. It's pretty sweet. Here's the completed product. Our chainsaw cupcake stand. Let me know what you guys think. Is it Pinterest and Etsy worthy or what? So again, my little guy's turning 1 and middle of May here coming up. So my wife asked me if I could make some type of cupcake stand. So this is what I came up with. I'm just gonna leave it all rough. Now, so we'll just set all our cupcakes on here and voila, we're all set.
If you enjoyed this build and want to see more of whatever I come up with, please like and subscribe for future videos. I think we're up to 250 subscribers now, so thanks everybody that has clicked that subscribe button. I hope you're still enjoying my content, and I'll keep trying to do my best to get better and better. Still learning video editing. This is like my 3rd or 4th video, so got a long ways to go. Stick with me just a little bit longer to the end of this video, and you can see Weston taking his first steps. The little guy's finally got walking down, and I just attached a clip at the end for you guys all to enjoy. Dude, it's one of the most exciting things ever, and can't believe the little guy's gonna be walking for his first birthday.
Can you show us? Come on, man. Oh, guys. Hey. Can you walk to me? Come on, man. Come on. Come on. Come on, man. Oh, we are in trouble. We're in trouble, little man. Come on, buddy. Oh, here comes trouble. Come on, buddy. You can do it. We just don't want you to stand there. What are you doing? You just thinking about it? Oh, don't you sit down. I know you know how to walk. Come on, let's go see Mommy and Sissy.
Oh, that looks good, huh, Claire? Ready? Ready what we're gonna do? Here, I need you to pick it up. Pick it up by the handle.
Come on, little buddy. Go, Weston, go.
Can you help me with the water?
Go, Weston. Come on, man. How far can you go?
Water, put it in here.
Making records here. Come on, we got some records going on. Come on, buddy. Come this way.
Very good. Okay. Now.
Yeah. Ah, look at you. Yeah. Hi, Lab. We see you too. Yeah.
Now, we gotta turn on the rice. Alright, the rice is started. Good job.
Get the little man
Now I need help elsewhere.
learning to walk. And we got Mommy and Claire Bear cooking.
Claire, just help me start the rice.
She wants you to pick her up. Oh.
It was so big. What do you see up
Yeah.
there?
And Man finally crashed. Back up. Back up though.